Hurricane Rafael has intensified rapidly and is now expected to make a direct hit on Havana, Cuba tonight as a Category 3 storm. Located approximately 60 miles east-southeast of the Isle of Youth and moving northwest at 14 miles per hour, Rafael is bringing sustained winds near 111 miles per hour. Residents across western Cuba, especially in low-lying areas, should prepare for catastrophic impacts as the storm barrels toward the Cuban coast. As Rafael approaches Havana, it will bring life-threatening storm surge, damaging winds, and intense rainfall, leading to severe flash flooding and possible mudslides across western Cuba. Forecast models indicate that Rafael's eye wall will cross Havana and surrounding regions tonight, with its most powerful impacts hitting well into Wednesday morning. Authorities in Cuba have issued urgent weather advisories, and evacuation plans are underway in high-risk zones. Once Rafael crosses Cuba, it is expected to enter the Gulf of Mexico on Wednesday, with its projected path taking a sharp turn southward. Currently, models show Rafael may shift toward the Texas Gulf Coast by Thursday night or early Friday, bringing heavy rain, dangerous coastal flooding, and hurricane-force winds. Forecasters warn that although drier Gulf air and increased wind shear could weaken Rafael slightly, the storm could still arrive with substantial strength. Rafael is predicted to maintain its status as a hurricane throughout its Gulf passage, posing risks to coastal areas from Texas to the western Florida panhandle. This rare November storm is one of only 6 recorded hurricanes in the Gulf at this time of year, underscoring the unpredictable intensity of the late-season 2024 Atlantic hurricane season. Residents in both Cuba and along the U.S. Gulf Coast should closely monitor updates and be prepared for potential evacuations and severe weather impacts as Rafael continues on its destructive course.